Yo, 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 what's up, Diamond family? It's your man VV, and welcome back to the VVS Academy. As you guys know, I'm here every week dropping off gems, teaching you to record and mix your music better. So if that sounds good to you, stick around. Look, man, I got a really crazy video for you guys, and it's really different. We're gonna see if me and the artist I'm recording can tell the difference between our $800 Slate microphone and this $30 fine microphone that they sent me to review. Now, I promise you guys right now, I'll be completely unbiased and I'll give you guys the straight up truth about how this $37 mic actually sounds and how it stacks up against our much more expensive mic. So we're going to do some shootouts in this video. You're going to hear us try to punch in some vocals and match them up and a few different things to really put this mic through its paces. And I told the artist from the jump, if it doesn't sound good, we'll take the mic down immediately because, people are paying for studio time. We don't have time to play around. So let's see how it goes. We'll jump right into it. Let's get it. That sounds good. So we're going to go over to the booth. I'm going to set up this little fine. We'll take down the slate. Let's see what it's going to sound like. Here in the booth at the VVS. Boom. So this is our normal mic, Slate ML1. We're going to take this down and replace it with this little. We'll see what it sounds like. Yo, if it's trash, I'll take it down. Don't even worry about it. I got you. Back some headphones. This first session today, they did some recording in the control room, so I took a set of headphones and brought them over here. But we'll take those back and we'll get to it. All right, so we're about to start sound checking the fine K66-9C. Use the condenser mic. We got it set up in the booth already. We got our artists over in the booth, so we're about to start doing some sound checking.
I want to hear it back though. Let me see. Fresh, no issue. Kodak vision, where I painted this picture. Team on my back, put the city on the map. This is prophesied from way back. Everybody eating good off the beats I attack.
Only thing is I don't like that breath and way back. I think we got to find a way to say it. We don't have to breathe in between.
Prophesied from way back. Everybody eating. Like way back, and then.
You just punch everybody.
Oh, okay. I see what you mean. Team on my back, put the city on the map. This was prophesied from way back. Everybody eating good off the beats I attack. Prophesied from way back. Everybody eating good off the beats I attack. I kind of wanted to let the beat ride out for a second, for 2 bars after that, and then just go like, they were clowning on me then, who the fool now? If you didn't know then, guess you know now. And then
okay, so a few quick observations about the fine K669C. Yo, I'm not even gonna lie. I'm usually using the Slate ML1 modeling mic, and me and the artist both, he's in the booth right now, and we're both just shocked by how good this thing sounds, especially for $37. Hang on, I'm doing some work. Yo, what'd you think? It was good up until where you fell off?
Yeah.
Let's hear it.
Living my dream.
As I said, the artist is actually in the booth right now. And I'll tell you, we're both shocked. I'll tell you, we're both shocked by how clean and balanced this vocal is sounding through this cheap mic. Honestly, if somebody had came in and switched it out for my Slate while I wasn't here, I don't think I would know the difference.
Everybody eating good off the beats I attack. They were counting on me then, who the fool now? If you didn't know then, guess you know now. That's hard. Let me redo the word clowning real quick, cause I think that first line, cause I think I said counting. Beats I attack. They were clowning on me then, who the fool now? If you didn't know then, guess you know now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I was thinking about doing some kind of like outro thing.
So cool. The mic sounds great recorded, right? It really punches above its weight class. But really, what we care about is how does this sound in a mix? How does it deal with EQ? How does it take compression? How does the mic really sound when you really start working with it, right? So that's what we're about to dive into right now. I actually finished up that song that we were recording, and this is the finished version. So let's listen to some of the verse and see what it sounds like with a mix on it.
My right mind, wrongdoings, all in my music. Top down, let the wind hit, I'm cruising. Tennis chain with the gemstones protruding. Never let them sleep on me, no snoozing. Get into the bag till my shit ain't up.
Bet. So as you can hear, the vocal, I mean, it still sounds great because it was a great recording, but now it's got that precision that we need. The vocal doesn't sound wavy or elusive. It sounds precise and right where we want it to be, locked right into the middle. So I'm going to take off the processing that I did, and then I'll show you exactly the plugins I added.
My right mind, wrongdoings, all in my music. Top down, let the wind hit, I'm cruising. Tennis chain with the gemstones protruding. Never let them sleep on me, no snoozing.
Let's bring everything back.
My right mind, wrongdoings, all in my music. Top down, let the wind hit, I'm cruising. Tennis chain with the gemstones protruding. Never let them sleep on me, no snoozing.
And so what we were able to do is by eliminating some of that up and down and reducing the dynamic range in the vocal, it made the whole verse more engaging, more present, and it keeps the listener more present. That's the importance of really dialing in the effects on your vocals. So let's show you what we did. I grabbed the VMR. Of course, you guys know I'm the biggest Slate fan in the world. No, I think it's concise. It works really well. It's $10 a month. If you don't have it, pick up Slate. You get all these plugins. So we always use the channel strip emulation. And then after that, I use the distressor. And let's see how much gain reduction we're doing. I just bypass and go one plugin at a time.
My right mind, wrongdoings, all in my music. Top down, let the wind hit, I'm cruising. Tennis chain with the gemstones protruding. Never let them sleep on me, no snoozing.
Yeah, so that's just really controlling the vocal, taking those larger transients and just smashing them down so that everything is kind of closer to the same volume. So when we turn everything up, we're not turning up the loud things too much. That's all compression really is. Let's go to the EQ. And all we're doing is reductive. We're only cutting frequencies. I'll play it back and show you what we're cutting.
My right mind, wrongdoings, all in my music. Top down, let the wind hit, I'm cruising. Tennis chain with the gemstones protruding. Never let them sleep on me, no snoozing.
Yeah, so we're just cutting frequencies. We cut right around 1,000. We cut 2 dB. We cut right around 450-ish. We're cutting 3 dB, and right here at 240 we're cutting 3.7, so basically 4 dB, and those things just help the vocal to clean up a little bit. And then I just did another 300 hertz cut for 2 dB right here. We followed it up with the SSL compressor, a much slower compressor, and it's only doing maybe 3 dB of gain reduction, and it just gave us that kind of gelled together sound. Right as it seems like he's about to trail off, it's like boom, he jumps right back in your face. We're able to achieve that with the compression we dialed in.
My right mind, wrongdoings, all in my music. Top down, let the wind hit, I'm cruising. Tennis chain with the gemstones protruding. Never let them sleep on me, no snoozing. Get into the
Yeah, and really, man, a $37 mic and $10 worth of plugins, and you can really go crazy, with your rap vocals, man. I don't want you guys to get discouraged and feel like I need some crazy mic, I need all this crazy gear just to make music. You don't if you get your skills up, all right? And if you're struggling to get your vocals to sit inside the beat and balance themselves out perfectly every single time, check out my free course down below. It's going to change the game for you and teach you how to do that. Balance out your vocals and your beat like a pro flawlessly. It takes about 15 minutes. Check it out. And if you need a little bit more help, drop me a line down below. My name is VV and I'm here for you. Remember, stay humble, make diamonds only. Peace.
My right mind, wrongdoings, all in my music. Top down, let the wind hit, I'm cruising. Tennis chain with the gemstones protruding. Never let them sleep on me, no snoozing. Get into the bag till my shit ain't on rented.